Did you know there's a way to turn what you love into a thriving business that pays you every day? This video aims to guide you through the exciting journey of monetizing what you love. By identifying a profitable niche, you can align your interests with market demands, ensuring that your passion not only brings joy but also financial rewards. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on something that fuels your soul while generating income. The benefits are immense: increased happiness, financial freedom, and the ability to make a positive impact on others. Join us as we explore practical strategies and inspiring stories that will empower you to turn your passion into a thriving business. Let's embark on this rewarding adventure together. Step 1. Identify your passions and interests. The first step in turning your passion into profit is to identify what truly excites and inspires you. Start by making a list of activities that bring you joy, whether it's painting, cooking, or writing. Next, reflect on your skills and expertise related to these passions. What do you excel at? How can you leverage these abilities to create something valuable? Consider how your interests can solve problems for others. Think about the challenges people face that your passions can address. By aligning your skills with the needs of your audience, you can carve out a niche that not only fulfills you but also offers real solutions. This foundational step is crucial for building a successful and meaningful venture. Step 2. Research potential niches. Once you've identified your passions, it's time to research potential niches that can turn those interests into profit. Start by using online tools like Google Trends to gauge interest in your chosen topics. This will help you understand what people are searching for and how popular your passions are. Next, explore social media platforms to see what content resonates with audiences. Pay attention to trending topics, hashtags, and engagement levels to identify what captures attention. Look for gaps in the market where your passions can fill a need. Are there underserved audiences or unique angles you can explore? By conducting thorough research, you'll be better equipped to position yourself effectively and create a niche that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Step 3. Evaluate the profitability of your niche. After identifying your niche, the next step is to evaluate its profitability. Start by analysing competitors within your chosen niche to understand their business models. Look at how they generate revenue and what strategies they employ to attract customers. This insight can help you refine your approach. Next, explore various monetization opportunities, such as creating products, offering services, or engaging in affiliate marketing. Each option presents unique avenues for income generation. Assess your target audience's willingness to pay for solutions related to your passion. Conduct surveys or engage with potential customers to gauge their interest and price sensitivity. By thoroughly evaluating these factors, you can determine if your niche has the potential for sustainable profitability and growth. Step 4. Create a business plan. Creating a solid business plan is essential for turning your passion into profit. Start by outlining your goals, target audience, and marketing strategies. Clearly define what you want to achieve and who your ideal customers are. Next, articulate your unique selling proposition, or USP, that sets you apart from competitors. This could be a distinctive product feature, exceptional service, or a unique approach to solving problems. Additionally, establish a budget for startup costs and ongoing expenses. Consider everything from materials and marketing to operational costs. A well-structured business plan not only provides direction but also helps you stay focused and organized as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey. With a clear roadmap in place, you'll be better equipped to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Step 5. Develop your brand and online presence. Developing a strong brand and online presence is crucial for attracting customers and building credibility. Start by choosing a memorable name and logo that reflect your passion and resonate with your target audience. This visual identity will help you stand out in a crowded market. Next, set up a website or social media profiles to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Your online platform should highlight your offerings and tell your story. Engage with your audience by sharing valuable content such as tips, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes insights. Regular interactions, like responding to comments and messages, foster a sense of community and loyalty. Establishing a compelling brand and active online presence will create a solid foundation for your business's success. Step 6. Launch and promote your passion-based business. Launching and promoting your passion-based business is an exciting milestone. By utilizing social media marketing to effectively reach your target audience, create engaging posts, stories, and ads that showcase your products or services while highlighting your unique brand voice. Consider collaborations with influencers or other brands in your niche to expand your reach and credibility. These partnerships can introduce your offerings to new audiences and create buzz around your launch. As you promote your business, monitor feedback closely and adapt your strategies based on audience responses. Pay attention to what resonates with your customers and be willing to pivot if necessary. By actively engaging with your audience and refining your approach, You'll build a loyal customer base and set the stage for long-term success. In this video, we explored the essential steps to turn your passions into profit, identify your interests, research potential niches, evaluate profitability, create a solid business plan, develop your brand and online presence, and finally, launch and promote your business. Each step is crucial in building a successful venture that aligns with what you love. Now, it's time to take action. Start by identifying your passions and envisioning how they can become a source of income. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit. Together, we can inspire more people to pursue their passions and create fulfilling, profitable businesses. Your journey to monetizing your passion begins today.